Hi ladies, Julie Weeman here, and I promised you part 2 of an application method for your Seint IIID makeup. Now, I'm going to use the 3D brush today, and it really can be this simple, ladies. So, first product I'm going to apply, and I'm going to dot it, just kind of swipe it and dot it on any areas of discoloration. For me, it's dark circles under my eyes. I've got a few sunspots that I like to conceal a little bit. So you might call it concealer. We call it with Seint highlight. So this is a correcting highlight. Second color I'm going to use is my main color. And so you might call this foundation. I'm going to put it on my forehead, a spot on my nose, and on my chin. Then a couple swipes down here at my jawline. And then I usually put one just off to the side of my nose, okay? I look like an Indian war paint, back in the day, right? Okay, then I'm going to take a brightening shade. Again, we call these highlights. I'm going to brighten up here between my eyes. I want to brighten on the sides of my eyes. And then I like to brighten in that place where the darkness starts and stops here on the side of my nose, okay? Then lastly, I'm going to take the same end of my brush, or let me just show you. You can also take your finger and contour right at my cheekbone. As a mature woman, I want the eye to go up. I'm going to put just a dab here and a few spots up here at my forehead. Then you're ready to go. Now, what I want to tell you, so I'm just kind of dabbing, swiping, stippling all the colors together. I usually start with the lightest colors first and around my eyes, and then just keep working. There's no perfect method to this. And you really can, ladies, do this in under 3 minutes. Now, it's going to take me a little longer today because I'm showing you just in talking at the same time. But if you can't do this in under 3 minutes, then you're taking too much time, okay? So that contour is kind of the last thing that I blend in. Swipe, stipple, blend that all in. Now what I notice about this today is I've got it on too heavy. And this is such a typical thing that I see for women, unless you like a really heavy makeup. But I find that most of my women over 60 do not want a heavy makeup. In fact, it really starts sitting in your lines and wrinkles. So that's one of the beautiful things about this Seint makeup, is that it's really covers well and you don't need much. On average, it should take you around 6 to 9 months to use up your main colors. Okay, so that is the 3D brush. Then I'm going to take and add some lip and cheek color. I'm going to add that right at the, kind of at this rosy part, or the apple of my cheeks, okay? Blend that in. And remember, one of the things about our lip and cheek colors is at first it looks dark, but it soaks into your skin really quickly. So now you're going to notice this is a heavier coverage using the 3D brush. If you put it on and you're happy with the heavier coverage, great. If you're not, take the blender sponge. And I like to take the setting spray, spray it into my hand, roll my sponge into it, and then I can blend and set my makeup at the same time. Oh, and this, oh, it smells so good. It smells like coconut. This setting spray is really nice. I don't so much like to just squirt it on my face to set my makeup. I think it comes out too heavy, but I love it as a setting spray, sprayed right on the sponge. And then of course using this Perfector sponge to blend it all in. So I'm feeling pretty good about it. What do you think? Okay, let's keep going. A few more things. I'm going to also take my contour and use that for my eyebrows. And do you know how hard this is to look into a camera and do your brows as opposed to looking into a mirror? So if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking down at my mirror to make it look a little bit better. Matching your brows to your natural hairline, to your natural hair color is really good, okay? All right, then I'm gonna add some eyeshadow, and I'm gonna do that really quickly. Again, customized palette. These are the colors that I use almost every day, ladies, almost every day. So I'm gonna do my eyes, and then I'll be back at you to show you the finished look here. Yeah, so really powdery. Today I'm using a color called Mama. It's a Saturday on the day that I'm recording this, and I'm just running to Whole Foods. You have a Whole Foods there? I love Whole Foods, but I don't get there very often. But it's that time of year. I'm trying to reset and just get back into my eating patterns that are better. And so I need to get some products in my pantry. So anyway, it's a casual day, running a few errands. I don't want to put on a ton of makeup, but yeah, just a little bit so I can head out here. Okay, last touches. I've blended everything. I've added my lip and cheek color to my lips, and then I'm going to take a little illuminator and just illuminate my face a little. I put it high on my cheekbones. This color is called Angel. Yeah, you can put a little dab under your eyebrows if you want. And I'm ready to go. One last thing. I want to talk about eyebrows real quick. So I filled in my brows with my contour, or you can use a dark brown color for your an eyeshadow. And then I love to use this brow fix. This brow fix is from a company called FLORI Roberts. I'll post the link. But if you've got brows that kind of start sticking all over the place, put those babies down with a little brow fix. Yeah, I've got a few stragglers, so I like this product a lot. So ready to go, ready to head out for my Saturday. And yeah. So that's applying your makeup with the 3D brush. I'll post the links below, and I hope this is helpful. If you want to know more, subscribe to my channel for all kinds of tips and tricks. Or I also am on Instagram and Facebook as well. Have a great day, ladies.